What's up, food soulmates? Are you feeling a little peckish? Today we are going to show you how to make an incredibly quick and easy recipe that will wow any group of hungry guests waiting to be fed. We're making two versions, one sweet and one savory. You can replace the fillings with whatever you like, which means you can make a different version each time. We'll need 4 sheets of puff pastry, 3 tablespoons of pesto, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of jam, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut a circle out of all pastry sheets that you're going to cook. You'll need 2 sheets for each tarte salée. You can use the biggest plate that will fit inside the sheet and cut around the plate with the knife. Transfer 1 round sheet on the surface that you will be baking it on. Spread the filling evenly, leaving about an inch around the edge. Cover with a second sheet and press around the edges to make them stick together. Make an indentation in the middle with a glass and use it as a guide to slice the pieces. To make them even in size, divide each section in half until you are satisfied with the number of slices. Pick up each slice and carefully rotate it twice, placing it back flat. Make sure to rotate all of them in the same direction. Align all the pieces in the end if you have OCD like my husband. It will look perfect. Brush with a beaten egg and sprinkle with poppy or sesame seeds. Bake for around 20 minutes until it turns golden brown. It will take much less than 20 minutes for it to disappear once you take it out of the oven. For the savoury version, use all of the same steps except for the filling. You have to try both before you can decide which kind you like the best. Trust me, you'll be surprised by the taste of the pesto option, even if you think you're more of a sweet tooth. Once you start eating it, you will not stop until it's gone. That's it. Try it yourself and impress your guests. And if you like this video and are hungry for more, subscribe!